How to flip camera while recording on iPhone. Whether you can do this depends on your iPhone model and iOS version. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Camera. Next, tap Record Video. Scroll down and look for the Lock Camera option. If you see it, make sure it's turned off. This allows supported iPhone models to switch cameras more freely while recording, instead of locking to the same camera. If you don't see the lock camera setting or you still can't switch cameras during recording, your iPhone model may not support this feature. In that case, you'll need to stop the recording, tap the camera flip button, and start recording again. To check if the feature is available, open the Camera app. Switch to Video mode, start recording, and look for the camera flip icon on the screen. If it's available, simply tap it to switch between the front and rear cameras without ending the recording. If the option doesn't appear, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And that's how you can switch between the front and back camera while recording video on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel,